Immerse yourself in the world of artificial turf care excellence with the TurfBoy TB1 ECO from SMG, a ride-on machine designed for the decompacting and brushing of artificial turf systems. The TB1 ECO can easily access the field due to its compact dimensions. Setting up the drag brush in working position and the adjustment is quick, easy, and safe. An ergonomic lowering of the brushes is possible from the comfort of your seat. The working width can be adjusted up to 2,000 millimeters. As standard, the TB1 ECO comes with an adjustable row of tines for decompacting the infill with a working width of 1,100 millimeters. The TB1 ECO is also equipped with a hitch for drag mats, triangle brushes, magnet bars, and spreaders for a versatile use on the field. Magnet bar ML1500 for artificial turf maintenance with a working width of 1,500 millimeters. Triangle brush DB1000F, light, robust, and foldable triangle brush for artificial turf with a working width of 1,000 millimeters. Triangle brush DB1600F, light, robust, and foldable triangle brush for artificial turf with a working width of 1,600 millimeters. Effective combinations of various attachments are possible to meet your individual maintenance needs. Now a new and unique innovation is available, the Leaf Sweep LS900. The optional attachment with an adjustable sieve from 4 to 10 millimeters collects leaves and debris of the field. Unleash the revolution in artificial turf care with the TurfBoy TB1 ECO from SMG.